What is up, YouTube? This is Zach of Dreamedia Home Theater, and I am out here in New Jersey showing off some home theaters. This particular one is a Paradigm 5.1.2 system with an Epson 6050, and we're powering that up with a Yamaha 1080. I'm going to be doing demos of this system as well. This is just going to be a quick review, going over all of the products used. I got my guys with Wire Ninjas, our preferred partner out here as well, who can help you with installation. What city are we in, boys?
We're in Bridgewater.
We are in the Bridgewater area, and we're taking you guys around to a bunch of different cities in New Jersey and New York to give you guys inspiration. I hope that you guys do find some inspiration and reach out and support us. All right, let's get into it. All right, Jose, our preferred partner who actually put this system in, is going to walk you through the room and just kind of wrap off some of the model numbers real quick. You guys got to subscribe to the channel if you want to see the whole demo.
So check it out, buddies. We got a Paradigm theater. It's a 5.1.2 featuring a Paradigm P3 right, Paradigm P1 center, Paradigm P3 left. We hit the back. We can see we have Paradigm P65. We have the in-ceiling model as well as the in-wall model for the heights and the surround channels.
So this is going to be your helicopter ripping around up here, guys. Your rain, things like that. There you go. Get a visual of it. And then here you're going to hear your low-level effects, car screeching around the corner, door slamming, background music, all that good stuff.
Projector, Epson 6050.
Yeah, now this 6050 comes with the spare lamp, an extra lamp included, as well as the chief mount, and then it has an extra, the 3-year advanced replacement warranty program on it.
Excellent projector, great price point. If we check out the equipment here.
One thing I do want to point out with that, guys, is it's not native 4K, but it's dang close. It's really? E-Shift, it's emulated, but it's using Epson's 3LCD technology that they're known for. It has 2600 lumen output.
So here on this system, we're driving it with a Yamaha Avantage, the RXA 1080. We have a couple source devices, your Apple TV, your international stream box. I believe there's a cable box hiding around here somewhere. A little simple power solution to keep the devices protected from Panamax, the MR4300. And here's your woofer. We have a Sunfire HRS12, really nice finish on this thing.
Yeah, and then he's got a couple Apple TVs. I did want to point out, look at the high quality work that these guys provide. I mean, they believe in 5-star work, and I've been traveling around checking out their different projects that they've put in, and I'll tell you, it shows. The guys care about their work, and they're going to care about your home as well when they come out there to run that wiring like a bunch of ninjas for you and give you that dream home theater that you're looking for.
We treat your home like it's ours.
Absolutely. Look, they come in with respect. Shoe covers, masks,
no
we're COVID safe, we take things seriously, and we're true professionals. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Again, subscribe to the channel because we're going all around New York, New Jersey, highlighting different projects and giving you guys inspiration. Now, if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. All right, that's all I got for you. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia, over here with my partners from Wire Ninjas. We'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.